Hello and welcome back to Smog Coders, the channel where we explore the exciting world of graphic design and coding. Today I have a special tutorial for you all. We are going to create stunning 3D text in Photoshop. Before we begin, I want to give a credit to Z Designs for inspiring this tutorial. I came across their video on YouTube where they created a 3D text layer in Adobe Illustrator. I decided to explore if it is possible to achieve the same text effects in Photoshop. So let's get started. To begin, click on Create New. Make sure the width is set to 3000 and the height is set to 3000. And make sure the document unit is set to pixels and the resolution is set to 300. The color mode should be RGB color and the channel is 8 bits. When you're done with that, click on Create. Double click the background color to unlock it. Double click again to access the layer styles. In the layer styles panel, click on gradient overlay. Here, we will choose colors in the range of dark blue to light blue. Don't be afraid to play around with different colors and see what works for your design. Once you are satisfied, click OK to apply the gradient overlay. To be organized and not mess up in the future, let's rename layer 1 to background. Now, let's add the text. Choose the font Luckiest Guy and set the color to white. Type in your desired word. For this tutorial, I'll be using the word Smog. Of course, Smog is my name. You can call me Big Smog or Smog Coders. I can go with any. To ensure the text fits well in the canvas, Ctrl+T to access the transform options, adjust the size and position of the text as needed. Let's give the text a stroke. To do that, double click on the text layer, click on stroke, set the size to 19. The color I've used is orange, and after that you click OK and click OK again. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. To transform the duplicated layer, press Ctrl+T again. Use the arrow keys to move it up and to the right. Once you position it correctly, press Enter key to place it. To make the duplication process quicker, simply hold down Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T at the same time. This will automatically duplicate the layer multiple times. Feel free to experiment with the number of duplicates to achieve the desired effect. To organize our layers, let's group them together. Click on the uppermost layer, then hold down the Shift key and click on the bottom layer to select all the text layers. Finally, press Ctrl+G to group all the layers. Drag the effects on the top upper layer to the recycle bin to remove all the effects. Make sure you give a very light gray color to the upper text layer. This will allow us to apply an inner glow to the text and it will be visible. Now it's time to transform the duplicated layer and give it a 3D appearance. With the duplicated layer selected, press the Shift+R keys to move it up and then press the right arrow key to move it to the right. To make the duplication process much faster, press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T and continue with that process to achieve your desired output. Leaving out the upper layer, click on the second layer, hold down the shift key and click on the bottom layer to group the layers together. Click on the topmost layer to access the layer styles. Click on gradient overlay, and here we are going to give it a gradient of light gray to a white color just to give it that metallic look on the upper top layer. Play around with different colors, moving from light to darker, but don't forget, don't make it look so white to give room to the inner glow to shine brighter at the end of the process. Once you're done with that, click OK and click OK again, and let's move to the inner glow. Now you see the importance of applying a whiter color using the gradient overlay. The inner glow shines even more brighter when you apply a lighter color on the gradient overlay. Adjust the settings, make sure you achieve your desired 3D look. Once you are done with that, click OK. We are making great progress, folks. Now let's organize our layers and give them a sharper edge. Expand group 2 and select 2 layers. Ctrl+G and group all the layers together. And give them a name, front layers or front group. Double click on the newly created group, access the inner glow option, adjust the settings, give it a sharp edge, making our text stand out even more. To increase the intensity of the sharpness of the edge, add one more layer into the front glow group to increase the intensity and the sharpness of the edges of the text. Let me play around with some adjustments here as you follow along, just to achieve the desired look that I want. Let's group the remaining layers in group 2 together. Ctrl+G to group them together. Double click on the group that you created to access the layer styles. Click on color overlay and give it a very light gray color. Head over to inner glow and play around with the settings just to add some kind of darkness at the bottom of the white text. You can go back to the to color overlay and then adjust the settings just to create that kind of darkness at the bottom of the white text. Play around with the settings, tweaking them forward and backwards, just increase the opacity and click OK. We are almost there. Now select 4 layers from the bottom group. Ctrl+G to group the layers together. Double click on the group and let's give our text a 3D edge look. To achieve this, apply a color overlay effect and choose a dark orange color. This will add depth and separation from the upper layers. Additionally, apply an inner glow effect to enhance the overall experience and appearance. Once you are done with adjusting the settings to achieve that 3D look, click OK and let's continue. We are in the home stretch now. Select the remaining bottom layers, Ctrl+G to group them together. This keeps our project organized. Now, let's give this group the same dark orange as before, but this time make it look a little bit darker than the one you used before in the upper layer that comes after this one. Lastly, we will add a subtle drop shadow effect to make our text pop even more. This creates a sense of depth and dimension. And there you have it. You have successfully created a 3D text in Photoshop using the techniques we have covered in this tutorial. Play around with different colors, fonts, and effects to make it uniquely yours. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Smog Coders for more exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy designing!